Microsoft Excel is a proprietary spreadsheet application developed by Microsoft. Its first version was released for Macintosh in 1985 and for Windows in 1987. Excel became the leading spreadsheet application in the market by 1990, overtaking Lotus 123. Since then, different versions of Excel have been developed with different features. This has made Excel one of the most used spreadsheet applications in the world today. In this tutorial, we shall discuss the following: types of Microsoft Excel, new features of Excel 2019, and the uses of Excel. Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet application program. Spreadsheet applications are used for simple and complex documentation, data entry, and analysis. Therefore, Microsoft Excel is an application used to document, store, present, manipulate, chart, and analyze data of various kinds. It is a rich featured application used in telecom, oil and gas, banking, and various organizations. Microsoft Excel enhances productivity, especially in the area of computations and analysis. It is loaded with formulas that help to perform statistical, engineering, mathematical, logical, etc. computations. From its inception, there have been different versions of Microsoft Excel for Windows operating system and other platforms. Excel started as Multiplan in 1982 and lost its popularity to Lotus 123. However, it regained its popularity in 1990 when it pushed out Lotus 123. Microsoft differentiates between three different types of Microsoft Excel applications for different categories of users. They include Microsoft 365, which is a subscription-based service that allows users to receive regular updates whenever it is rolled out. It has plans for personal, small business, large corporations, and education. Microsoft 365 includes desktop apps as well as online cloud storage that allows you to interconnect devices in real time. This type allows you to connect up to 6 people as well as use multiple devices. You can subscribe on a monthly basis or on a yearly basis to use this type of Excel application. Microsoft Excel Desktop App is a standalone desktop app that allows you to make one-time payment. The one-time payment covers the use for all apps associated with the suite as long as you want. It does not expire, but it is valid for a PC. Also, it does not receive regular updates like Microsoft 365, but you can get security patches. To upgrade to a newer, updated version, you will need to pay in full. Microsoft Excel Online is a free version available to everyone that has a Microsoft account. With a Microsoft account, you can gain access to use Microsoft Excel Online. This type has limited features, yet it is sufficient for data entry and analysis. To use Microsoft Excel Online, you will need a browser on your PC or device with an internet connection. Every improved version of Microsoft Excel has additional features that makes data entry and analysis easier. There are visual appealing features as well as data analysis features that have been included in Office 2019. Some of them include new functions. In Office 2019, there are functions that have been added which includes concats, ifs, max ifs, switch, min ifs, text join, etc. Also, there are additional charts such as map charts and funnel charts. Also, Power BI, the ability to publish to Power BI has been included in Office 2019, Excel 2019. Also inclusive is enhanced features that makes the use of pivot table very easy. So there are things like search features that you can see in pivot tables, as well as use pivot tables for dashboarding. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application that is used for data entry, computation, and analysis. As a feature-rich productivity app, it can be used in many ways, including for personal, business, and corporate use. Some of the uses of Excel include the following. Excel can be used for data entry and documentation. This means that Excel provides a flat file storage for data entry and storage in a database. Also, Excel can be used to store and analyze accounting data, especially for small businesses. Excel can also be used to perform financial analysis. This means that Excel has financial formulas that will assist in achieving this kind of analysis. Excel can also be used to summarize and illustrate data in a chart. We have charts like pivots, pie charts, and so on and so forth. Excel can be used for personal and corporate budget preparation, interpretation, and analysis. It can also be used to track and manage employee data, tasks, and time management. Excel has functions like macros and additional features like Visual Basic for application. These can be employed in Excel and be used for programming. Excel can also be used in schools to record, store, and compute the results of students. Microsoft Excel has loads of formulas and tools that allow you to perform different kinds of data analysis, especially an advanced statistical analysis such as correlation, regression, ANOVA, t-tests, etc. for research and analysis. Finally, you can use the pivot table in Excel for easy data comparison and also to create dashboarding when working with data analysis companies. In this tutorial, we looked at what is Excel, types of Excel, the new features in Excel 2019, and the uses of Excel. This is the beginning of our tutorials in Microsoft Excel. In our next tutorial, we are going to look at how to open Microsoft Excel. I indulge you to get connected to this channel by subscribing, sharing, and commenting in the comment section. Thank you for your time and see you in the next tutorial.